Welcome back everyone. Here today we will see about the weekly forecast and analysis of gold and silver. We will also see about the trading setups and the trading ideas as well. Let's start with silver. Since March 2020 the silver has been on the uptrend from the low here to here, and it formed a high here, and from there it dropped to this price here, almost 21.61 approximate price, and shall take from there again it went on to break this high, but it couldn't go up. From there it dropped again. It got rejected. The price got rejected here. From there it dropped. This is in the long term perspective. From here the price, it's been ranging actually, top to bottom, bottom to up, and from there it's most likely to reach here, but based on the further confirmations we will decide. So from overall analysis we come to know that it's been ranging between this high 29.848 to 21.621, this low. So let's move on to the smaller time frame for in-depth analysis. Okay, I'm moving on to the H4 now. The price after it got rejected from here. This is the price here, 29.848. The rejection here, this is what I have mentioned here. So don't get confused. So the price, it got rejected here and it dropped massive. The price again, it tried to go up 2 times, and this is a major resistance level, but here you can see there is a level here. It tries to touch that, but it couldn't break the 2 times. It didn't even touch here, but when the price again went up 2 times, it got rejected, and from there we saw a huge fall of price. The price action was good and it got rejected here. Again the price tried to go up, but it couldn't. Again it got rejected and it dropped. So now the price, it went up. Let me show you in other charts. This is the high. It broke that high, and from there it got rejected and it dropped. We saw in the last week, actually the price got rejected here. It took out the stops here, it fills the order here, and it drops, and we saw one more pin bar rejection here in H4. It drops. So the price tries to drop from here. Again it is pushing down and down, but overall the trend here is in the upside. It is in a perfect trend line here, but the most likely, if you see in the bigger time frames, it prevails the most. So daily it hits the stop loss, and from there it's been ranging. It's kind of trying to drop more. So it's most likely it can come down here. There is a level here, so it can touch here, or it can even break this price and hunt the stops, and it can push up. There is also a level here. It can come down, again push up. There is also one more level here. It can come down. Either it could go up massive, or it could decide. These 3 are very most intermediate decision levels, very strong levels. These are likely to hold. It can hold here, and it can push up, it can retrace a bit, it can bounce, and from there, if you see a further drop, it can break and it can come down here. The same goes here. If the price, it holds here, and if it again it breaks down, it can reach here actually. So it all depends on the intensity of the price level. If the price is really good and it is very volatile, it can even drop massive to this price, from the current level to this price actually. Okay, So it's all based on the volatility, the speed, and the intensity of the market, and the timing is also very much important. During the US session, it tends to move very fast. If there is a news, we can see a fast movements here. So this is a general idea. Even during the news, it works. But what happens is it happens very fast. You need a quick hands to scalp here in case if you are scalping. So this is my plan. I might try to sell up to here and see if there is any big movement here, and based on the confirmations here I might go for buy. If not, I will keep shorting it till here. This is a very good buy region. Once the price comes here, I might be looking to buy from here to here and grab some pips, and this could be a long term buy too. This is based on this trend alone. Okay, so overall the price, it's been ranging. We saw that earlier, up and down. So the price, it went up, and from here it's deciding whether to go up or not, but it got rejected. So based on the price movements and the patterns it formed here, we're trying to scalp it down a bit. Weekly time frame. See here, you can see the price, it forms a doji here. This is not exactly a pin bar. This is a doji. Usually when a doji forms in a major support or resistance area, most likely the price, it tends to reverse. You can see here, decision candle, there is a doji here. It couldn't push up the price. From there we saw a heavy fall here. So it plays a very, very major role. It is also a kind of similar. It's not a doji, but it's a bearish kind of pin bar here. So the similar pattern you can see here, and you can see here too, doji here, formation of doji level at this price, and from there the price dropped a bit. So where the candle pattern forms, it is of utmost important, and as of now it is dropping a bit, and but in daily there is a confusion. Actually daily the price got rejected here because of this level. We saw a huge stop on here, and the price tries to push up. So the price came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, and it is testing in the same area. So these are all sell areas, supply region or resistant region, you can call it as you want, but price most likely holds here, and it tends to decide here. It can drop here. So it's almost, it looks like the continuation pattern. I mean, in the sell trend, it's trying to follow the same sell, and it can drop here. So based on the confirmations we get here, as we have discussed few minutes before, based on that we trade that. Hope it is clear. Let me show my encoded calculations. This is my calculations. So I'm expecting the price to drop here and bounce a bit here. Once this price gets broken and closes below, the price is most likely to drop a bit more. It can even come here, as we have discussed earlier, up to here. So mark this level 25.562 on this level, and you can see the price come here. This is just a weekly level, weekly line chart. Here, if you have seen my Cypher course, you will know this is a major level. So I have marked it. And it can even hold here and retrace back. So this is a major level, this is also a level. So I'm looking to scalp a bit of buy here, but the intensity here is sold, so I'll be selling here, and I'll be trying to sell the most of the price action. And scalp, if you want to scalp here a bit, you should you should be very careful and use very small lot size while you're doing it here. Now let's move on to the gold analysis. Okay, first let me show the encoded for this week. Actually, the price, actually it is holding the encoded. It is trying to break down. Once it breaks down, it can do this and come here. There is a bit of price level here. You can see a low here, so price, it can drop here and price to bounce up. So this will be an excellent area to buy and scalp a bit, but it is in a sell direction, so I wouldn't be taking a big lot size in buy here. So I will try to short it as much as possible. When the price comes here, I will decide whether to go up or not based on the price confirmations. So this is one decision area, this is one, and this is one here. When the price drops big, you can see here, this is the major price here, the price will go up. It is almost exactly same as silver, and they both correlate well, and you can simply find any good sell signals here which can correlate with silver, and you can trade based on that. But you need so many confirmations, and the timing should be good as well. Okay, let's see overall analysis of the gold in the weekly chart. It's been dropping and dropping. It is in a big buy actually, but given the drop for the past few months, it has been in the sell trend. So we shall consider this and trade based on that. Only if the price, you can see a double rejection here, only if the price goes above maximum and closes above, and there could be a retest or not, I might consider to buy from here. Until that, it is in a sell trend, I would respect that and trade based on what the price tells me. Okay, this is a daily level. Many saw this double bottom and we're expecting the price to go up, but it is too soon to tell. Only when the price closes above and when it confirms, you can go for buy. Till then, it is in a sell level. The price can even go up and then drop. Okay, it is a forecast, but even the price movement here, you can see there is a bit of doji in the weekly. This is the weekly level. You can see weekly line chart and overall level. So it is holding. It's holding nicely in this place, and we can see a rejection and decision doji here. It's all in the overall sell trend, so I wouldn't be taking buy too soon. Maybe once the price breaks this and closes above, I will consider to go for buy based on few other confirmations on the timing, on the encoder levels, and few other factors. If there is any change, I will update in my Telegram. This is my Telegram, and I'll be doing my regular forecast and signals, everything here. So do watch it for further updates. Okay, here the price, let me show it in the daily. The price drops here, again goes up, the price again drops down. It actually broke here, the major area, it broke down, again it went up. So this is of utmost importance. The price, it can either go up or it can come down. So based on the patterns and the confirmations of few other calculations, we decide. Here most likely as of now it is dropping. If we get further more signal to buy here, if any massive buy candle formation, if is there any other confirmations or correlations, we will adapt accordingly. Okay, so as of now it got rejected, and there is a we saw one more H4 pin bar here. The price got rejected and it's piercing down, so the price it's most likely to go down a bit, as I have mentioned earlier, and can go up a bit. It could be a starting point of huge buy. If not, it can even bounce up from here, the price. From there again, when it drops, it can go down massive. So it's too soon to tell. These three are the important levels: 1, 2 and 3. Let me show you in it. Yes, 1, 2 and 3 levels. So get a confirmation in this area and trend based on that. So don't gamble, don't over trade. If you don't get any confirmations, just be patient till the price comes to the perfect area here and here, and do not fixate on your trading forecast analysis. I'm always ready to adopt. So whatever the price formation it gives you, just adopt and trade accordingly. You'll do just fine and use very low lot size. So that's it for today. If you have any doubts, you can message me in the Telegram. This is my contact ID. You can contact me for any doubts. If there are any updates, I'll update in the Telegram. Okay.